Hey guys, NVIDIA for Games here again. I know it's kind of off topic to talk about this considering what kind of genre my videos are usually like. They're usually about working out and lifting weights and whatnot. But anyways, I've just I was really curious and I looked on yeah, I was just scrounging around on YouTube for some penny stock videos because penny stocks have actually been one of my passions or pastimes, right, rather, for the past 7 years. And I just I guess since I'm getting a little bit more viewers now, maybe some of you guys might be thinking of trying to trade penny stocks. So I think I'm gonna do maybe 2 to 4 part video series about my experiences with penny stocks. So basically, this is just the introduction here. So I started out with penny stocks in around grade 10, I believe, and that was when I turned 19. So I had to be. I understand that in the U.S., I think you have to be 18 to start a penny stock account, or anyway, just start like a stock account. But so in Vancouver, BC, Canada, you have to be 19. Everywhere else is 18. So I was really pissed off. So when I turned 19, I was really happy and everything. And before I turned 19, my dad let me use his account to trade, and I was only able to use a few hundred. But anyways, my first stock that I traded, I think I put everything into that stock. It was I put about $1,000 in, and it wasn't a real penny stock. I wouldn't say it's a real penny stock because what I consider real penny stocks is pennies stocks that are trading below a penny and even below sub-digit pennies, so maybe triple zero pennies. So it's the one share would be 0.0001, so that's 3 zeros before the one. Um, and so the first stock that I put it in, I was actually working at a pizza place, and my boss always had people coming in, and they would own companies and whatnot. And so the guy that came in, he told us that maybe it was a Vancouver mining stock, and he said that, oh, it should be going to like $4 or $6 in the next few months. So I ended up buying it at around 30 cents. So it didn't really do much. And considering for up until I was like 18, even now I still really enjoy doing lottery tickets. And how this ties in is because penny stocks um, usually suit a gambler's needs. So yeah, so after that 30-cent stock, even though 30 cents, a lot of people actually, in fact, most people probably consider that a cheap stock, but I don't know. I just decided that it was too expensive. I only had like I don't know a few thousand shares, and it was just moving too slow for me. I think I only made like $60. I mean, that's better than nothing, right? But so I just thought it was too slow. So anyway, in a nutshell, my second stock, my all-time second stock that I put my money into, I put everything, about $1,000 into a 0001 stock. So for that $1,000, I was able to purchase 10 million shares, and I was really happy because like most penny stock beginners, they think the penny stock, if it goes up by a cent or something, you double your money. I mean, if this triple zero stock that I had went up to $1, I'd have $10 million. So I think that's just how most people are deceived by penny stocks. Um, but anyhow, it's just very dangerous stuff. That was my first penny stock. My second penny stock, same thing, 0001. Um, they obviously. I have to tell you guys, if you're just looking at penny stocks for the first time, you're using my video as an example. Most of these CEOs, they have a plan. Uh, However, it never works. I'll get into that in the next videos. So stay tuned. Um, it's just there's I guess there's 5 different kind of stocks in the world, or 4. So there's the 0001, there's the 001. So as they go up as they reduce their digit sizes, so from 000 to 000, it gets less riskier because obviously 0001, if it goes up by another 0001, you double your money. However, it's extremely risky. So there's 000, and then there's pennies, which I'd say are less riskier. I'll tell you guys that in a later video. And there's obviously the dollar ones, they're also considered penny stocks. And then you have things like Facebook and Microsoft, which are safe stocks that don't move very much. But when you go in down to the below a dollar pennies, below a pennies stocks, things get very crazy, very illiquid, which means that not very much money goes into the stock every day. So it means if you buy the stock, you might not be able to sell it at the price that you want to. You probably lose money if you're not very experienced. So yeah, just stay tuned for my next video. I'm just going to cut this up into different topics. Next on, I'll discuss the different kinds of penny stocks. All right, guys, stay tuned.